This is a short tutorial that will show you how to hide the total columns in Canvas's gradebook. From time to time, I run into instructors that want to be able to hide the total columns inside of Canvas. Often they want to hide them throughout the semester and then turn them on at the end of the semester for students to be able to view. So let me show you how you can do that. If you're in your course, if you'll go to Settings over here in this left-hand course navigation menu, and when you get to the settings page, if you'll scroll to the very bottom, you'll see where it says More Options. Click on More Options. Okay, you'll see the additional options show up, and if you go down through that list, you'll see one of the options that is not checked. It says Hide Totals in Student Grade Summary. So if you click that box, it will hide the totals column. All you have to do is click the Update Course Details in order for it to take effect. At the end of the semester, all you have to do is go back to the bottom, click More Options, and then uncheck that box for students to be able to see the column, and then click up the Update Course Details, of course, at the end. But that's all you have to do to toggle those totals on and off. If you've never been out here in this More Options area of your settings, I advise you to go out there and take a look. There are some other interesting options there, but that's how you do it. I hope that this tutorial is helpful.